Hello everyone and welcome back to Canon Coffee. Here we have this beautiful DeLonghi Magnifica espresso machine. Now for this machine we just did a tune-up, which means we remove the brew unit, we replace the brew unit of the machine, deep clean everything inside, remove the lubricate the transmission, remove the gasket from the generator, deep clean the shower screen of the generator, and descale the machine. So yeah, well, that's all what we did. And starting with one shot of espresso, we gonna be testing the machine out. We already got coffee in the grinder and we can do a shot. Machine is grinding the beans, as you can hear. Grinding the beans, coming out from this little funnel over here into the brew unit. The brew unit collecting the ground coffee. Once the grinder stops grinding, the transmission pushes all the way to the generator, the brew unit, which is then it gets compresses the ground coffee that we just grinded, and then the machine will start pushing water from the water pump into the generator through the brew unit and into the spouts, as you see right here. As you can see, nice steady stream coming out of the machine. Excellent color as well. Looking great. Now we're going to be testing the hot water. As you can see, nice steady stream coming out of the machine. Working excellent. Working perfectly fine. So there you have it, the DeLonghi Magnifica working once again and ready to brew. Thank you so much for repairing Mechanic Coffee and subscribe to the channel.